Alright guys, I'm back with another highly requested video. So today, I'll be going over new Aliexpress discount codes, along with some end of the year deals, and how I managed to get an Aliexpress promo code that helped me save over $100 on my order, bringing my total to less than $70. I'm sure some of you want to start your holiday shopping a little early, so I want to make sure you take advantage of these codes before you make any purchases. Now, if you want to know the details and wondering how I did it, then keep watching this video and I'll explain the steps I took to do it. So I found a coupon page that carries exclusive deals and delivers discount codes differently from any other page I've came across. Here's a glimpse of how it looks. So they updated their site and added new discounts from the last time I made a video. So they have a ton of coupons to choose from, and plus they work with a bunch of brands that many of you probably use on a weekly basis, so it's definitely worth checking out on what else they have to offer. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and I've gotten multiple codes on here. All of them have been active and none of them were expired. Anyway, let me go back to the checkout for my order. So I'm getting this as a gift for a relative and literally saving over $100. Here's what I have in my cart. I'm about to buy this drone that was originally going to cost me $211, but after applying the AliExpress promo code, I'm going to get it for only $68.30. And now, as you can see right here, the AliExpress coupon code is from Feel the Deals, and they're giving me this discount for basically 30 minutes of my time. The promo codes are connected with sponsors that want app ratings and more user downloads in return for a discount reward. And you guys can check out the description of this video and I'll place the full step-by-step tutorial there. It'll show you where I found it and how I did it, just so you guys can avoid any mistakes on how to go about doing this. And all that I needed for this, guys, was my phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Feel the Deals is definitely different from those other promo code sites that you see on Google where they only give you like 5% off as a new sign up, or the ones where you try like 10 different codes and they're all expired. However, it does require a short process, but it doesn't cost you anything. It took me around 30 minutes to complete the task through their apps, but it was worth it for a $150 discount. So yeah, just check the description for the full tutorial. All you'll want to do is follow along. It shouldn't be too hard. Once I was on Feel the Deals, I literally just scrolled down to the brand that I wanted, clicked on it. It had some little details about AliExpress and some savings tips, but then I just went on down to the coupons and deals section to reveal the discount. And then once I pressed the show code button, it had these little hashes, meaning that the code needed to be unlocked, but that was completely fine. I was able to get it, and I show that through the steps in my tutorial. And the process is super easy. It's just some gaming apps that are connected with sponsored companies. They want more app downloads, which gets them better rankings in the Play Store or the iPhone App Store. And doing this boosts their apps so more people find them, and they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases. And that's how they're able to give these AliExpress promo codes. So it's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and they give you a completely working AliExpress discount code. But yeah, the instructions may say to complete a level on their game or to play it for 30 seconds. But once the tasks are completed through the app, you can go back to Feel the Deals and then the code will become available. Oh, and the AliExpress promo code only works once. But basically after unlocking a code, you just go ahead, copy it, enter it at the checkout on AliExpress to redeem it for a credit of 150 bucks. And this can be done more than just one time, but the process has to be done doing different sponsor apps. If the same ones are done over and over, it won't register with Feel the Deals. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. Anyway, if you check out the description of this video, you can watch the full YouTube guide on where I found it. It'll show you step by step on how I went about doing this. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.